Alright, let's talk about one of the coolest things you can do without Wi-Fi. Watching the sky go full neon rave mode. Yes, my friend, we are chasing the northern lights. And not just anywhere, we're doing it in Finland, the icy paradise, where the sky literally throws light shows for free. Now, quick disclaimer, you will be cold, like nose hair freezing, snow in your socks, why did I come here cold? But also, you will be amazed. Because the northern lights aren't just pretty, they're cosmic magic backed by science. It's like if space got really into performance art. So let's get nerdy for a second. What are the northern lights? Okay, imagine the sun having a bad day and throwing a massive tantrum. It flings out a bunch of charged particles, solar wind. Those particles smash into Earth's atmosphere and start throwing a light show up in the sky like, hey, look at me, I'm science and I'm fabulous. Boom. That's the aurora. Now you can see them in a few places across the world, but Finland is the VIP section. You go far enough north, like Lapland North, and you've got front row seats to Mother Nature's weirdest and most beautiful mood swings. And no, Lapland isn't just where Santa vacations after Christmas. It's a real place full of snow, reindeer, saunas, and people who look suspiciously unbothered by 25-degree sunny weather. Let's talk timing. You want to go between September and March. Why? Because that's when the nights are longest, the skies are darkest, and your chances of catching the lights go way, way up. Best viewing hours? Between 9 p.m. and 2 a.m. That's right, the aurora doesn't do early mornings. She's got drama and a schedule. Oh, and pro tip, clear skies only. If it's cloudy, sorry, nature cancelled the show. No refunds, but don't worry. Finland has you covered while you wait. Want to sleep in a glass igloo while the stars swirl above you like cosmic glitter? Done. Want to go snowshoeing in total silence like you're in a Nordic indie film? Do it. Want to ride a dog sled and yell mush, even though the dogs don't speak English? Absolutely yes. And if you're feeling spicy, there's the sauna. Because in Finland, sweating in a tiny wooden room with strangers and then diving into a frozen lake is considered relaxing. Honestly, it's a vibe. Also, the food, surprisingly comforting. Think stews, hot drinks, and something called cloudberry jam, which sounds like it was named by a fairy but tastes like warm sunshine and hugs. Pair it with some hot Finnish coffee. Yes, they drink more of it per capita than anyone else, and you're basically invincible. Now let's say you finally see the lights. You're standing in a snowy field. It's dead silent. Suddenly the sky starts glowing. It's green, it's purple, it's moving. It's like the universe is slow dancing with itself. You stop breathing for a second, not because it's cold, but because it's beautiful. You point your camera, you fumble with the settings, you panic. You take 47 blurry photos, but it's fine, because this moment it's burned into your brain forever. No filter needed. Here's the thing. The northern lights aren't just a tourist attraction. They're a reminder that we live on a spinning rock in space that sometimes, just for the heck of it, puts on a light show. And Finland, that's one of the best spots on Earth to see it. So whether you're traveling solo, dragging your partner on a romantic Arctic getaway, or just escaping civilization to vibe with the universe, go. Seriously, go chase the lights, go get your eyebrows frozen. Go fall face first into a snowbank while trying to take a selfie. It's all part of the story. Just remember, mittens are not optional. And bring a power bank. Cold kills batteries faster than you can say Aurora Borealis. Alright, if this made you smile, or if you're already checking flight prices to Rovaniemi, smash that like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more. Slightly chaotic, but extremely cool travel guides. Now go chase the sky.